Hey gearheads, and welcome to Garage Talk. I'm Corey, and behind me here is America's supercar. This is the all-new for 2023 Chevy Corvette Z06. This particular one has the Z07 performance package, and in this video we are going to take a quick look around this vehicle as it makes its press tour around the US. I'm here courtesy of Peltier Chevrolet here in Tyler, Texas. If you want to come see this car, come check it out today.
As a matter of fact, let's review it for you guys. Go right ahead. You guys will get a chance to play with. It's a beautiful video.
All right, starting up front, you will not find an engine under the hood here. This is actually the front trunk. Just like every C8 Corvette on which this Z06 is based, the engine's actually been moved to the back. And in this vehicle, that engine is half of the story. All right, gearheads, this is America's supercar, like I said in the introduction, and it's made possible by that flat plane crank 5.5 liter LT6 under the rear glass. This is the highest horsepower naturally aspirated V8 in a production car ever, making 670 horsepower at 8,400 RPM and 460 pound-feet of torque at 6,300 RPM, revving all the way up to an 8,600 RPM redline. This particular engine took 2 years to design. Standard Z06 vehicles get 20 by 10 inch front wheels wrapped in 275/30 ZR20 tires, and rears are 21 by 13 inch wrapped in 345/25 ZR21 tires. They are all Michelin Pilot Sport 4S ZP tires, and the Z07 package gets a specially designed tire by Michelin just for this car. It does stand 3.6 inches wider than the normal Stingray Corvette, accommodating for those rear tires and more airflow through huge side vents. Unique front and rear fascias for the Z06 really make it stand out, and is the first time that has ever happened in the Z06's history. A reconfigurable rear spoiler is standard, but this one has this massive wing for additional downforce. All told, all the carbon fiber and aero bits accumulate to add over 734 pounds of downforce at 186 miles an hour, more than any Corvette ever. The Z07 also includes performance features like that carbon package, the weight-reducing carbon fiber wheels, a suspension with specific magnetic ride control 4.0 calibrations, those special tires, carbon fiber wheels that reduce the weight by 41 pounds, Brembo carbon ceramic brakes, and when equipped with the Z07 package on a 300-foot diameter circle, this thing can pull 1.22 Gs of road-hugging grip. I said it before, this particular car has the Z07 performance pack on it, which includes all the ground effects that you see on this, including those painted carbon fiber wheels. All told, all the ground effects and extra aero cause over 700 pounds of additional downforce at 186 miles per hour. In addition to all of that, this vehicle is over 3 inches wider than your standard Corvette, so it can really hug those corners as it hits the track. Most of that extra width comes right here in the form of extra cooling for that high revving 5.5 liter LT6 lurking back behind the driver and passenger. These optional carbon fiber wheels are actually the painted version, and all 4 of them combined for over 40 pounds of unsprung weight savings. Again, a huge benefit when hitting the track. Because this is the Z07 version, it gets special Michelin tires that were created specifically for this car. All right, gearheads, getting to sit inside this Corvette, you can see it follows the same removable targa top formula that all standard Stingray Corvettes get in this C8 platform. Pretty standard interior as well, but Chevy takes it up a notch in this particular one with the optional carbon fiber package that adds carbon fiber pretty much anywhere you look and touch in this, including the square steering wheel. I've driven one of these before, but this one feels especially special with all this carbon fiber, black leather, and red stitching staring back at me, including this red mark for top dead center on the steering wheel. These competition seats really hold you in very well and are not letting you go anywhere as you take corners around the track in this car. This does have an 8-speed transmission. It is automatic, but you do get carbon fiber paddles to row through the gears as you hit the track in this Corvette. Staring back at me, I've got rear view mirrors that are unevenly spaced on the outside of the vehicle. That's right, the passenger mirror is set out just a little bit further out than this driver's side mirror to give me the optimum view all the way around this awesome car. And Chevy really wants you to be able to make your Corvette yours with tons of customizable options that you can see here, from interior colors, exterior colors, brake calipers, seatbelt colors. And yes, because 2023 does mark the 70th anniversary of the Corvette, there are two special 70th anniversary editions here on the Z06. As a part of this traveling display from Chevrolet, you can actually see, hear, and feel the experience by taking part in this interactive display.
Without further ado, feel free to jump in, feel free to touch it. Please be mindful of everybody else, but this is your 2023 Z06. My God.
All right, gearheads, that's it for my short time here at Peltier Chevrolet in Tyler, Texas, as this Corvette makes its press tour around the nation. This is an amazing vehicle. I cannot wait to get to sample one myself, fingers crossed, but you can help me reach that goal by hitting that subscribe button down below. Ring the bell so you're notified every time we post a new video. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I'll link all of those down below, and you can see all the crazy performance videos that we've done, including some upcoming videos from Texas Motor Speedway, linked all down below or in this main channel. Until next time, gearheads, bye. The real is additional